I trained hard for 6 months and barely grew. Same workouts, same diet, same effort. Then I fixed one thing, and in 8 weeks, people started asking what I changed. It wasn't my workout, it wasn't my protein. It was the 7 hours I kept stealing from myself every night. And if you're sleeping 5 or 6 hours, you're not just slowing progress, you're actively destroying your gains. The gym breaks you. Sleep builds you. Because here's the truth most people in fitness don't say out loud. The gym doesn't build muscle, it breaks it. The growth happens later, in the dark, while you're unconscious. Every rep you do creates micro tears in your muscle fibers. That's not a bad thing. That's the signal your body needs to grow. But the actual rebuilding happens during deep sleep, when your body releases growth hormone and repairs those fibers stronger than before. Think of your body like a construction site. The gym is the demolition crew. Sleep is the rebuild crew. But most people send in the demolition crew every day and cancel the rebuild crew every night. The result is a body that never fully develops, an effort that never pays off. Training without sleep isn't dedication, it's destruction with extra steps. What bad sleep does to your training. And it gets worse the moment you walk into the gym tired. Your coordination drops, your focus disappears, and your form starts breaking down. But the deeper problem is metabolic. Your body relies on glucose to power your muscles during training, and sleep deprivation makes your body worse at using it. So you gas out earlier, your strength drops, and the session that was supposed to build muscle turns into something your body can barely survive. You showed up, but your body didn't. Survival mode versus build mode. One bad night doesn't just make you tired, it can push your body into survival mode. Instead of building muscle, your body starts breaking it down for energy. Fat storage signals go up, recovery slows down, and you're no longer in build mode, you're in survival mode. Stack a few nights like that on top of hard training, and you've created the worst possible environment for progress. The hormone shift. Now here's where it gets serious. Your hormones are controlled by your sleep. Deep sleep is when your body releases its largest pulse of testosterone, the hormone responsible for muscle growth, fat loss, and recovery speed. Cut your sleep short and that release gets weaker. At the same time, cortisol, your stress hormone, goes up. And cortisol does the opposite. It breaks muscle down, slows recovery, and makes every workout feel harder than it should. More sleep creates a growth environment. Less sleep creates a breakdown environment. Every single time. Why your diet falls apart. And it's not just your training that suffers, your diet gets hit too. Poor sleep raises hunger hormones and lowers the ones that make you feel full. So you wake up more hungry, craving worse food with less self-control. That's why fat loss stalls even when your plan is solid. Fix the sleep and suddenly your diet becomes easier without changing a single meal. What to fix starting tonight. So what should you actually fix? First, sleep duration. 7 hours is the minimum, but if you train hard, aim for 8 to 9. Second, keep a consistent sleep schedule. Your body runs on rhythm, and random sleep times hurt recovery more than you think. Third, cool your room down. Around 17 to 20 degrees Celsius helps your body enter deeper sleep. Fourth, cut screens at least 30 minutes before bed because blue light delays melatonin. Fifth, move your caffeine earlier in the day. Late caffeine kills sleep quality even if you fall asleep. And finally, control your environment. A dark room, quiet space, and a comfortable bed matter more than most supplements. Supplements. If everything else is in place, magnesium and zinc can help support sleep and recovery. But supplements don't fix bad habits, they only support good ones. At the end of the day, you don't need a better workout, and you probably don't need more protein. You need to stop stealing recovery from yourself. Because the gym doesn't build muscle, it only starts the process. Sleep is where the growth actually happens. Fix that, and everything else finally starts working. Subscribe if you want more of this.